Two immaculately kept homes on 1.2 acres with a 28x44 detached workshop. Main house was built in 1968 and was completely remodeled in 2014 with upgrades including a custom kitchen with platinum quartz countertops and solid wood cabinetry, new HVAC unit in 2017, and is a 4-bedroom/3-bath with 2 master bedrooms. The second home is a mother-in-law guest house and features granite countertops, wood tile flooring throughout, and is completely handicapped accessible with large doorways and a zero-entry oversized shower. This home is 1-bedroom/1-bath with large laundry room, a huge walk-in closet, and a southern-style front porch. The detached shop has a loft area for storage, a covered open porch area, and a separate insulated climate-controlled room. Property is close to schools, Tommy Smith Elementary and Merritt Brown Middle School, and is zoned for Mosley High School. Main home is approximately 1,900 square feet with 4 bedrooms/2.5 bath, and second home is 960 square feet with 1 bedroom/1 bath. Property is being sold as one.